How to fix preview not showing in Openshot. If your video preview window in Openshot is blank or not updating, it makes editing nearly impossible. Here's how to bring that preview back. First, try closing and reopening Openshot. Sometimes the preview window glitches due to temporary bugs. Next, check your preview profile in Openshot. Switching to a different profile or lowering the resolution can help fix preview issues. Also, check that the video track is not muted or hidden in the timeline. If the track is disabled, nothing will show in the preview. Resetting the workspace layout from the View menu can refresh all panels and fix preview problems. Have you lost your preview in the middle of the project? Tell me how you got it back in the comments below. Once your preview shows up again, your editing will become much smoother. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.